Hey, today I'm going to walk you through setting up your payment blocks in MailerLite once you've got Stripe connected. However, if you haven't connected Stripe with MailerLite yet, no worries. We've got a super helpful tutorial on that, and I'll go ahead and link that down below in the description, and I'll put a card up here if you want to check it out. So here's the deal. MailerLite gives you two awesome payment options to work with. The first one, the one-time purchase block. It's perfect for those single payment products like an ebook or a course that you might be selling. And then there's the recurring purchase block, which is perfect for your subscription stuff. This is super handy if you want to be running something like a premium newsletter where you're dropping exclusive content that your free subscribers don't get access to. Now, with that said, let's jump into the MailerLite dashboard and I'll show you how to set it all up. From within your MailerLite dashboard, we're going to go ahead and actually create a landing page. To do so, we're going to click on the Sites tab and now click on Create Site. Here, we can go ahead and give it a name. And once you got that down, let's go ahead and hit Save and Continue. From here, we can select the subscriber groups we want added to this landing page and click Continue. Now here, we can actually select how we want to build out the landing page. We can use AI to do it. You can, of course, start from scratch. Or if you're interested in saving a ton of time, you can select one of our awesome templates down here. For this example, I'm going to actually select this template here. Now we're brought to the drag and drop editor. This is where we'll be able to drag and drop in one of our Stripe blocks. To do so, we can hover over here to our sections, scroll down to our pricing and purchase, and we can select one of our Stripe blocks. As you can see, we have three different kinds, one with a singular product, double, or triple. I'm going to select our singular product for this example. I'm going to drag and drop it into our canvas here. I'm going to select the element and I'll be prompted with a gear icon. I can go ahead and click on that and it'll provide me with a few more options. Under the product view, we can select what type of product from our Stripe store we want to add. In this instance, I'll click this one. And as you can see, it'll give us a few more options here. If you have a digital product that you're selling through this, you can go ahead and add your download URL here. Now, if you scroll a little bit further down, you will also see that there are some other options that you can toggle on or off here, like your description, your price, or your title. This is all information that is actually pulled from your Stripe account. You can change it on the front end, but it will not change on your Stripe account on the back end. From here, you can also go to the success view. This is what your customers will see once they've made a successful purchase. From here, you can also select a specific action that happens after the checkout, whether that would be adding them to a group, removing them from a group, or simply updating a custom field. And of course, you can change all the text here and any colors that you may want to using the style button here or the style button here. Now, this was for the singular purchase block. Now, if we go back to our sections, click on pricing and purchase, and we can scroll down a little bit more, and we can see Stripe recurring product block. Once again, we have three different options. For this particular example, I am just going to use the singular one. I'm going to once again drag and drop it right here into our canvas, and I'm going to go ahead and select it so that we're brought to this icon with the settings. From here, once again, it's very similar to the singular product. However, I'm going to go ahead and now select which product I want to use. And here, we're brought with more options once again that you can toggle on or off however you see fit. From here, we can go ahead and select our success view. And this is the particular view that your customer will see once they've made a purchase. However, we have two different actions here now that we can set up. The first action is going to be what they see, or what happens, right after they check out. Once again, the same as the single purchase block, we can add them to a group, remove, or update a custom field. The same goes for the action after they cancel the subscription. We can add them to a group, remove, or have it update a custom field. Now, once all that is set, we can go ahead and click Done Editing, and that'll bring us to our page settings of the landing page we just created. It'll bring you to show you the URL. You can also add a favicon, which is a small image that you see populated next to the tab of your browsers for your particular landing page. We can add SEO settings here and social share or particular analytics that you may want to track, whether that be in Google or Meta. And of course, you can also add some custom code here. Let's go ahead and click Save and Continue. And now that brings you to the overview page for the landing page that we just created. This will show you all the information and details about it. And when you're ready, you can go ahead and publish this here. If you ever need to reference this page, you can easily do so by the Sites tab. Once selected, you can go ahead and click Overview of the landing page we just created. From here, you can go ahead and click on the Stripe button, and this will give you a lot more analytics of your subscribers who purchased, the activity, the product that they purchased, and the date they purchased on. If you have a digital product, here is where you can actually customize the email that they are sent. You can just click Edit to edit the subject and the sender. And if you click Edit here, it will take you to our drag and drop editor where you can add any adjustments you see fit for your particular brand here. Once done, you can just click Done Editing, and that'll take you back to the Stripe overview page. You can also edit those particular emails that your customers are sent once a subscription is created. Once again, you can just follow the same steps as I just showed you earlier to edit this email. And the same goes for the email that they're automatically sent when they cancel their subscription. And that's really all there is to it. It's pretty simple. Now, drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and also don't forget to check out the Stripe integration tutorial below if you need it. With that said, I'll catch you all in the next one.